Hey everyone, it's Marks here, but you already knew that probably from the voice. Today we're diving into a hot topic, why iPhone users are jumping ship to Android. Now we've all been there, right? That iOS ecosystem can feel pretty comfortable, familiar, but trust me, there's a whole world of tech out there just waiting to be explored. And some people are realizing Android isn't the green bubble wasteland they thought it was. We're talking about customization, price, innovation, and yeah, even things like battery life that might surprise you. Trust me, you won't believe reason number 3. So whether you're a die-hard iPhone fan or just tech curious, stick around. You might learn a thing or two and maybe, just maybe, you'll be tempted to switch sides by the end of this video. Let's kick things off with a big one: customization. Now iOS has gotten better over the years, I'll give them that. But Android's been killing the customization game for years. We're talking widgets galore, custom launchers that let you completely transform your home screen, and the freedom to choose default apps. You know, like actually setting Chrome as your default browser. Crazy, right? And it's not just about aesthetics. This level of customization means you can tailor your phone to perfectly match your workflow. Photography enthusiast, there are widgets for that. Productivity nerd, Android has you covered. It's all about having the flexibility to make your phone truly yours, and that's something a lot of iPhone users are starting to crave. You know, it's like the difference between living in a pre-designed apartment building and building your own house. With Android, you're the architect of your own mobile experience. Let's talk about something that always gets people talking: price. Look, iPhones are premium devices, no doubt, but that premium price tag, it's not for everyone. And in the Android world, you've got options, people. We're talking about phones at every price point imaginable, from budget-friendly powerhouses to top-of-the-line flagships that can go toe-to-toe with the latest iPhone. And the best part? You don't have to sacrifice performance or features when you go Android. Some of the most innovative, powerful phones on the market are running Android, and they often come in at a lower price point than their iPhone counterparts. So yeah, your wallet might actually thank you for making the switch. It's like this: you could buy the new iPhone, or you could buy an amazing Android phone, go on a weekend trip, and still have money left over. It's a no-brainer for some people. Now, some people think iPhone is where it's at when it comes to innovation. But hold on a second, because Android's got a few tricks up its sleeve too. We're talking about features that push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do, things you won't find on an iPhone, at least not yet. Take foldable phones, for example. Android manufacturers have been leading the charge in foldable displays, creating devices that transform right before your eyes. And then there's reverse wireless charging, which lets you use your phone to juice up other devices. It's like having a portable power bank built right in. These are just a couple of examples of how Android is pushing the envelope and redefining what's possible in the mobile world. And for some users, that spirit of innovation is irresistible. One of the things that makes the Android world so exciting is the sheer variety of devices on offer. With iPhones, you've got a handful of models to choose from. But with Android, the options are almost endless. We're talking about phones of all shapes and sizes, from compact powerhouses to massive multimedia machines. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a photography enthusiast, or just someone who wants a phone that reflects their personal style, there's an Android device out there for you. You've got sleek and stylish phones, rugged and durable phones, and everything in between. And let's not forget about the software experience. Android manufacturers like Samsung, OnePlus, and Google put their own unique spin on Android, offering different features, design languages, and software experiences. It's like having a buffet of mobile options all ready for you to explore. Okay, let's talk about a topic that's near and dear to all our hearts: battery life. Now, iPhones have made strides in this department, I'll admit. But some Android phones, they're absolute beasts when it comes to battery life. We're talking about phones that can easily power through a full day of heavy use, and then some. And it's not just about bigger batteries. Android manufacturers are optimizing software and hardware to squeeze every last drop of juice out of those batteries. Things like adaptive refresh rates, intelligent battery management, and power-efficient processors all contribute to an overall, longer-lasting battery experience. So if you're someone who's constantly tethered to a charger, making the switch to Android might just set you free. Imagine a world where you don't have to obsessively check your battery percentage throughout the day. That's the power of Android. So there you have it, folks. These are just a few of the top reasons why iPhone users are making the switch to Android. From customization and price to innovation and battery life, Android offers a compelling alternative to the iPhone. And you know what? It's not just about the specs or the features. It's about having the freedom to choose a device that truly fits your needs and your lifestyle. Ultimately, the best phone for you is the one that you love using. But if you're feeling a little adventurous, a little curious about what's out there beyond the Apple ecosystem, I encourage you to give Android a shot. You might just be surprised at what you find. As always, I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Are you an iPhone user who's made the switch to Android? What prompted your decision? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, if you're still rocking that iPhone, tell me why.